really feel I've never seen a person like her. Amazing mother, amazing wife, amazing wife, I can say that. Lovely friend, and definitely a beautiful person inside out.
So, Ritu Singhal is truly a woman of many parts. She's a celebrated life coach. She's an entrepreneur. She's a writer. She's a TEDx speaker. What more can I say?
तेरे माथे पे लहराता हुआ ये आंचल बहुत खूब है, लेकिन तो इस आंचल से परचम बना लेती तो अच्छा।
Since 2002, so that's how the long association we both have. Ritu have always been an epitome of resilience, determination, leadership. She's also won a lot of awards.
Rituji, now comes the moment when we present the book to our audience. I would request all of our dignitaries to kindly join us on this stage for the formal book launch by Ritu Singhal. Please put your hands together in a roar right now.
Ritu's story stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration in a world often clouded by adversity and hardship. From the depths of childhood traumas and significant losses,
Ritu and I hit it off instantly and shared a deep bond. To err is human, and Vikas wasn't exempt. I won't denigrate, defame or run down Vikas. He was a loyal friend who stood by you when it mattered. His strong personality, humor and ambition.
Ritu Singhal. I met her when I was going through the lowest phase of my life, and she came as a light who introduced me to the Buddhist philosophy. She held my hand and led me on this path of hope and courage. This compassion of hers was what attracted me to her in this mean and unkind world, and we became friends for life.
My name is Jyoti. I am fortunate to meet Ritu in this lifetime. She has always stood by my side. One such episode is fresh in my memory. I was working for meager salary and was leading a difficult life as I was under loans and my half salary would go for repaying interest only.
This is what I know about Ritu, that she tried beyond her own capacity to keep Vikas happy. I have the privilege of knowing Ritu for more than 24 years. She has been an exemplary mother and has set such a brilliant example for both Ishani and Inayat.
I decided not to cry. For me, this book is about power of faith and prayer. It's about Ritu's courage, strength, positivity and sense of gratitude. It's about prioritizing your family time over anything else.
राह की तरक्कियों को दिल के दियों से जगमगाती चली हूँ, मंजिलों को खुद में बनाती चली हूँ। आंधियों ने जो जोर पकड़ा जिंदगी में, हाथ थामे हौसलों को उन्हें डराती चली हूँ। खौफ ने जब घेरा मेरे आसमान को, विश्वास का सूरज जलाती चली हूँ।
Ritu couldn't have chosen a more appropriate title to her book than I Decided Not to Cry. In 5 words, she has woven a story of love, marriage, deceit, tragedy, and triumph.
Mr. Arpit Shukla, Mrs. Shukla, Mrs. Rakhi Gupta Bhandari, Ojasvi, Suvarna ji, Ritu ma'am, the author, Ruby ma'am, the co-organizer. A distinguished gathering here. Already, I think someone called it distinguished. I can also say rather radiant and luminous. And I also see more people in this hall than not ever before, perhaps, but most times. I see people in the aisle and the galleries, and of course, some of them are the security men.
Where conversations which are usually brushed under the carpets are all out in the open, and we are gallantly talking about everything. Rituji, thank you for creating this atmosphere for every one of us here.
Thank you, Ritu, for this honor, this privilege. Yes, I feel actually, today when listening to everyone, I feel today we are vying with each other to announce how well we know Ritu. Because she's such a marvelous person, such an excellent friend.
आपने ये प्रूव कर दिया है कि हमारे जो 9 हैंड्स है ना, उसमें हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। हम एजुकेशन भी ले सकते हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी, स्पोर्ट्स, कल्चर, कहीं पे भी हम कहीं कम नहीं हैं। एंड आई थिंक आप एक होप बन चुकी हो।
This book, I Decided Not to Cry, has touched me deeply. I read it in one go. I think I spent the night and the next day reading it. It's a multi-layered book at many levels, but at its core, I liked its searing honesty, absolute searing honesty, and a description in a very matter-of-fact tone.
To be part of this celebration of book launch, I Decided Not to Cry, written by my adorable friend Ritu Singhal. Congratulations, Ritu. And it's a matter of pride for me that today she is launching her second book. I wish you good luck and waiting for the third one. तुम्हारे ऊपर गणेश जी की और सरस्वती माँ की बहुत कृपा हो और तुम्हारी लेखनी ऐसे ही चलती रहे। ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं तुम्हें।
Same positivity emanates from Ritu's life journey. Each step that we have seen and gone through the book, for that matter. We have talked about, many of us, about her role in Rotary.
So I think life's experiences really teach you. So now when I see somebody going through any of these issues in life, so I believe 2 things are very important. One is spirituality. Second, I also believe one should be independent financially.
तो बहुत चीज़ें समझ में आई और I decided not to cry again. फॉर्मर स्पीकर ने बहुत अच्छे से बोला कि 5 शब्दों में शीर्षक को बहुत अच्छे से उभारा है मैम।
कहते हैं ना कि बला की धूप है इस जिंदगी में, बला की धूप है इस जिंदगी में, ना कोई दरख्त है ना कोई छांव। कहते दिशा बदल के देख लो, शायद मिल जाए तुम्हें तुम्हारा गाँव।
So I was traveling to, when the invite came for Ritu's book launch, I was traveling to Mussoorie because I had to be there for compulsory training which we go through, that's called the phase 5. We are literally retrained and recalibrated and re-energized so that we may take up bigger roles in the government and in the society.
हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के पिंजरबद्ध न गा पाएंगे, कनक तीलियों से टकराकर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे।
Write everything, white and black. आपने जिस हिम्मत और जिस शिद्दत के साथ अपनी जिंदगी को इस किताब में बयान किया है वो काबिल तारीफ है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इस किताब के और भी लैंग्वेजेस में इसका ट्रांसलेशन हो।
Mom, I remember when Didi and I were young, we wanted to write your biography, and I remember that 4th grade in IIT writing this starting to write your biography and not knowing how your childhood was to continue further. But Didi and I are so glad that you have written it yourself, and we just want to thank you for really teaching us with your own life and setting examples for us rather than preaching something. Thank you so much for being such an amazing mother, and we're sure your life and your story is going to encourage so many other people. Love you, Ma. All the best.
I'm so happy that you finally published your autobiography. You've always been my mentor, my guru, and your life has been so inspiring. Your motto in life, persevere, persevere, persevere. I don't know when it became my motto, but I'm sure looking at you, fighting challenges that were thrown at you, I just picked it up. And I'm so happy that you've done this. Congratulations, and I'm so proud of you. Love you, Ma.
Yeah, congratulations, Auntie. I definitely feel more of an ally after having read your book. Ever since I've known Ishani, she's kept telling me stories about you and of all the challenges you faced in your past, of the battles you've won, of the day-to-day challenges you face and conquer, and despite everything, how you've managed to raise two strong and beautiful daughters.
जो अंधेरे में चली है साथ मेरे दूर तक, ये शाम, ये आत्म कथा, कुछ ऐसी परछाइयों के नाम। गम को बेचकर खुशी खरीद लेंगे, ख्वाबों को बेचकर जिंदगी खरीद लेंगे। होगा इम्तिहान तो देखेगी दुनिया, खुद को बेचकर आपकी दोस्ती खरीद लेंगे। Thank you very much. Thank you.